Another technique is teaching somebody else. So you're just going to find a friend or a family member and you're going to teach them something that you're either struggling with or something you recently just learned in class, and this will help you retain what you were taught. So I've got William here next to me and I'm going to teach him how to fill in a matrix. So we've got our equations, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take every number before each letter and put them into a square bracket. So you'd have your 2 here, then your 3 next to it, your 1 and your 5. And then your -1, your 2, your -3 and your 0. You try the last line. Close, but what you would have to remember is the minuses before your ones here. And then to finish, you need to put brackets between your numbers. That's it. Have you got any questions for me, William?
Does it have to be brackets?
Yes, you always have to have brackets. You will not get any marks if you don't have any brackets. You can also have square brackets instead of round ones if you want.